In this video, I will show you how to cut out an image in Canva. So if you want to know how to remove the background from an image and cut out a subject in Canva, I'll be showing you step by step 2 ways to do this, whether you have the free version or premium version of Canva. If this video helps you out today, make sure to leave a like, comment below and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and easy tech guides. So here we are, as you can see on Canva. Now what I'm going to do first is add my image. So I'm going to come over to the menu on the left, click onto uploads and then click the upload files button. So what that's going to do is open up the computer's file explorer, and from here we can find the image that we want to cut out. So you can see I've got this image of this dog and I'm just going to upload this to Canva. Now once that's done, you're going to see it appear in the upload section and you just want to click to add this to the image, as you can see. So what you can do is click onto the image and at the top you're going to see an option which says BG remover. If you don't see it here, you can click onto edit and you should see the BG remover come up in the toolbar on the left hand side. Now this is a feature that's available for Canva premium users, so if you do have Canva Pro, you can give it a click. What it's going to do is scan the image and then, as you can see, it's going to cut out the image from the background. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, you just have the free version of Canva, another way to do this is to use a website called remove.bg. So if you come across to this website, and once you come across, you're going to see the blue upload image button. Give that a click, and again, you can use your computer's file explorer to upload the image. What it's going to do is get to work, and straight away it's going to remove the background. Once that's done, all you need to do is come and click on download at the top. Once that's done, you can go ahead, click on download, and then of course download that image onto your computer without the background. So that's how to cut out an image in Canva. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and easy tech guides. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.